This is a very beautiful rocky outcrop. That's also become real estate now. Anyway, today it's there. And then some very nice plants I found here. This is one. The flowering structure is very interesting. That's how it looks. Some fiber. This could be. It has a basic shape like that Commelina and cyanotis and all actually, but hairy, mildly pubescent, and leaves are a bit rough only. Very interesting plant. Some 10 of them are there here. It's a small thing. And it's hiding in such a place. I think it has got fired also, but it might have escaped because it's at the edge of that one rock.